What's up, everyone? Rick Gonzalez here, Apex Mobile App. Welcome to episode 11. Today we're talking about your dashboard. All right, what is the dashboard in your Apex Driver app? That's kind of your default screen, really. When you open the app, and if you're already logged in, what you're looking at is your dashboard. There's two parts of the dashboard. The first part that you're looking at are the available reservations or gigs or deliveries, whatever jobs are available right there to you. That's where they will be. If you look on there, though, and you tap on the right side of the top of your screen or the dashboard, that's going to show your confirmed reservations or confirmed gigs or deliveries. Okay, and those are the ones where the merchant or the rider chose you as their driver, and that time and date is coming up soon for you to take that ride or delivery. All right, so that is your dashboard. If you're on anywhere else on your app, you're looking at some other part in your menu there, and you need to get back to your dashboard. In your sidebar menu at the very top, it says dashboard. Tap there and that'll bring you back to basically your home screen. All right, any questions, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and definitely share this video with your friends and fellow rideshare groups. Thank you guys, and I'll talk to you real soon.